Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here, the daily candle, it's finished here. And what it given us here, as you see it, guys, that a very known pattern, that two candles here, that indicating the market is going to reverse because look at it. Look here, what it given you. It given you here a green candle and next to it a green candle like here, and even like here. It's indicating that the market is going to fall down. But if you see down here in that place here, the tail, it's pushing from down, guys. Let's zoom it a little bit like that. So as you see, guys, here, there is a big pushing from down to upward, so it's more than 50% of that candle here, and we're going to analyze it for you and we're going to lower time frames, guys. So stay tuned with us and try to watch all the video and don't try to skip anything, because some people, they said they don't understand anything. To understand our technical analysis, guys, you need to know a little bit about technical analysis. If you don't know, down below in the first comment there is our highly recommended course. Us here we just analyzing for medium people and advanced people, not for beginners, guys. Beginners, down below there is in the first comment there is our highly recommended course. You can go and watch it and learn what it meant technical analysis. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So here in the daily, guys, what is it? Should you buy, should not? Here in the daily, guys, as you see it, I show it to you thousands of times. It's not yet. It's need the market to come to break for us that trend line here. If it doesn't break in there, us we are not going to enter, guys. Still very, very, very early, guys. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, and the news which is coming tomorrow. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, when we put in something new and we put in a new video, going to be updated, my friend. It's very simple. Down below there is a red button, click at it, you're going to become subscriber. Next to it a bell, turn it to all. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, when you put in something new in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's going to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys. Here it is, the coming news, guys. As you see it for tomorrow, we have those ones. So we have the CPI of UK or inflation of UK. Then we have at 6 o'clock of the morning. By the way, all the time here is it with GMT, guys. Then we have the CPI of European Union or inflation index of European Union at 9 o'clock. Then at 12:30, we got the one of USA, the building permit or how many building permits they give. And that one will tell you what the economic doing, guys. Because if the economic doing well, the building permit, you're going to see a lot. And the forecasting here, as you see it, it's saying it's going to come positive, but I don't think so, because people, they don't make a loans those days because the interest rate is too high. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And what we got else, the crude oil inventory of USA, and even that one for the energy market. It's got a big impact to the market, guys. And what else we got here? Let me show it to you in our table, guys, as you see it, that one. So today all US stocks is going up, guys, as you see it. And the VIX, it fell down a little bit, but it's still too high. We're still above 30, as you see it. Also, we are 30.50. And yesterday it used to be 31. So it's still a lot of scariness in the market. So if you are a beginner, don't enter now. It's still a lot of scariness and people, they still worried to put their money in the stock market and even in the crypto, because now the Bitcoin is very correlated to the Nasdaq, guys, the one here. That's why I told you it's still very early. Then the US dollar here or dollar index is at 111. It fell down a little bit today, but not that much. I think everything is too clear. Now it's going to show you the DXY or the dollar index, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here, the US dollar index, what it's saying, guys. As you remember, also used to be here. And what it's showing you, it fell down till here. And here in that level, also we still in a very stronger level, guys. And what it's showing you here, let me zoom it a little bit. What it's showing you here, guys, it's showing you here a very, very well-known pattern, like how it happened here in that zone, as you see. After a red, it gives you here a doji, guys. that one. So if it came here next to it, a green candle like that, it's going to indicate the market is going to reverse to go higher. But till now, also the market here, he couldn't come and breaking the last high, which is here, guys. So here you need to wait in what the market going to do, either to come and to break for you that last low, which is here, that one here. If it's breaking there, it's going to give you here a double top like that, or a M, or whatever you name it. That is a very, very bearish signal, guys. That means the Bitcoin is going to fall down. If it's not, and if it came and breaking the last high, which is that one here, it's when you're going to see the Bitcoin going high, the US dollar going higher, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Let me show you my chart, what I got in it. As you see it, guys, also we're still in that level here. So either from here we go back higher and we're going to break, or we're going to break it down. So till now nothing confirmed here, and down here we got that trend line, so you need to make a close eye at it if we are going to break it down or no. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into the Bitcoin to show you our indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in our indicator, guys, in the Bitcoin, here in the daily, by the way. As you see it, we touch here in that wall, then he fall down here, but there is no big volume, guys. I tell that to you in the last video. So also we're going to stay here in the daily. So here in the daily, also we still in the bear control, guys. There is no bull controlling yet. Here in the daily, it's still very early. Always if we break in here, if we don't, we're still in the control of the bears, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Let's go now to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys. We tell that one to you millions of times. We got here a divergence. By the way, people they said also we're moving from time frames, because also we started with daily, then we're analyzing for you our indicators, guys. So also here we got a divergence, and our indicator is at the oversold, and we are here in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Even if we go back till 2018, you're going to find it that the last high. Now, either from here is going to go back higher, or we're going to break it. If we break that level here, the only level we got at 10K, guys. So that one is the last defense we got. So should you buy? Not yet, my friend. Look at it. That one is just an oscillator, guys. I showed you that one before, but it's okay to repeat it. It doesn't mean when we are at the oversold, we need to buy. It's need the price action to tell us that. If there is no price action to buy, there is no buying, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys, in the 4 hours. By the way, did you smash the like button? Yes, you. I know you're going to tell me you are subscribed, but did you help us, guys? Helping us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could share that video. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's continue. Let's go now to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. 4 hours as we enter from that candle here. We put the stop loss here. In the last video, we used to be here. I told you take the profit here in that peak here. That one used to be a signal here as we enter in it. Now, if you take the profit here, or you take some of the profit, guys, look what the Bitcoin doing here. Here in the 4 hours, he tried to give you here a double bottom, guys. Yes or no? Now, either he going to come and to break for us here, we're going to enter short again, guys. If it's not, and it came and breaking higher, that one. Look at it. That one here. See it where I started from? That one, and that one. If it came and breaking higher here, also we're going to enter long, guys, again. If it came and breaking here, also we're going to enter long again, guys. Everything is too clear here in the 4 hours, guys. So here in the 4 hours here, the chart, it doesn't show there is any buying opportunity, guys, and no selling opportunity. Let's zoom it a little bit. What you see in here, guys, when the 200 moving average getting broke, look at that green candle, what it's showing you guys here. Where is the pushing happening? The pushing is happening from the top of that candle, guys. That's when there is people, they want the Bitcoin to fall down more, guys. Yes or no? And another thing we got here. Look at it. I show you that one thousands of times, guys. What we got here? We got here an inside bar, guys, like how we used to have it here in that level. When it's breaking by that candle, look at it. It fall down till here. Now, either to come to break up, there is an entry higher, or to come to break lower, when the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that, guys. Everything is too clear? Let's go now to see our other indicator, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. And I'm going to come back to update you by another video when the European market close. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when we touch here that wall, we started falling down, and here over here I told you to take profit here. Now And also we enter when we break in here, exactly in that level. Now what that indicator of us showing, guys, it's showing it came down here, it touched that wall, it tried to reverse up, but there is no big power. So now either from here to go back and to break for us that level here, or from here it will go down and breaking for us down here. Then he going to go lower, guys, because even here, if you see with me here, look with me here, very close, guys, what you see in here, it try to give you a W, guys, or a M, or a double top. If it came and break in here, you need to enter short, guys. In the chart is the same thing, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our indicators, guys, what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, we came here, it become green a little bit, then it started falling, guys. So now either from here to continue it up till the overbought, or from here to fall down till the oversold area. So also we enter from down here when we been at the oversold and we take profit, guys. And here I told you he tried to give you here a cup and handle here, but he couldn't break the last high of it. So it's showing no rejection. And here in the 4 hours, guys, what did I told you before? Here, what did I told you? Let's bring it from here, like that. I told you got a triangle, guys. I told you if it's breaking higher, the first target is it here at 22,500, and the second one is it here at 25k. Did it break in, guys? No, it came to that wall here, then it show a rejection, guys. So should you buy now? Here in the 4 hours, not yet. Unless if it came and breaking for us here, you can enter long, guys, here. If it's not, there is no entry. Our indicator here it doesn't show nothing, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity, guys, for you to understand everything. And for scalpers and day traders, if there is any opportunity, we will find it there. So let's go into 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, look here with me very close here. What the Bitcoin giving you here, guys. Give you here a head and shoulder here in 30 minutes. Now, if it came and breaking here, the neckline, you enter long, guys, and I'm going to tell you why. So also in the previous video, guys, we used to have here a triangle like that. When it's breaking, we enter short. Over here, I told you in the last video, take profit. Now, he give you here a head and shoulder, guys. I'm going to show it to you very clear, guys. Let's zoom it a little bit. So here, guys, let's zoom it a little bit like that, and we will analyze for you here. Look with me here. What you seeing, guys? Here that the first shoulder, here the head, and here the second shoulder. The neckline is that one here. If it came a candle and breaking higher here, you enter long, guys. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's showing here. Also, we are here at the oversold area, guys. So now also we need to look only for buying opportunity, guys. Yes or no? If you enter a scalpel here in the Bitcoin, guys, always put stop loss. And the 200 moving average, what it's showing, guys, here? It's showing the market, it's flat. There is no volume, guys. Yes or no? So, also, we are in a very stronger level, guys. Second thing, our indicator here is at the oversold, and the price action we got one, but it hasn't completed. It needs to break higher. If it's breaking higher, there is an entry, guys. Everything is too clear. So, that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.